So today's going to be a short programming day. All I'm going to do is remove some unnecessary code. So I guess let's start with our main and look through and see if there's, we're just trying to get rid of any unnecessary unnecessary lines, and to maybe just format it a bit. So it's going to be real boring. Just kind of tidying up some of this. So I'm going to leave my tester stacks because I might run into a bug where I need to use them. But basically, I just want to remove any comments that might not do anything and call it a day. I was going to take a couple days off this week, the past couple days, but I ended up kind of powering through. So today I'm kind of giving myself an easy day. Then we can do a little tally of how many lines are in this. So we can have an idea of how many lines it took to make our game. This is counting points, yeah, for the score. This is all looking fine. This is too indented. See, like this stuff. So line count isn't a great metric for code because there's a lot of comments, and code goodness doesn't, you know, you can have a shit ton of lines, that doesn't mean you wrote it well. But it's just for me personally to kind of just be like, okay, so that's what a 3,000 code game looks like, or whatever. And everyone's, you know, everyone's got their own style, what to leave and what not to leave. But it's kind of crazy thinking about how much code this is. Definitely the biggest thing I've programmed. It's just taken me 4 months to do it. Like, we probably deleted 50 lines already, you know? So it's 50 lines that could have been counted if we didn't go and do this. But this will give us a little bit better estimate of the real line count. But then, you know, these, for example, these, you know, that counts as 3 lines of code, and all that's doing is saying end. So it's not really a good metric. think I want to turn this back on. I think we had that off to test. Just gonna leave myself a note there just in case we need to delete it again. But I'm pretty sure I thought we needed that. Like we don't need this. Wow, this is a lot of code. I want that on still, just in case. I think I want debugging on as well. I think I already... Oh no, right here. So yeah, we want the debugging to stay. Okay. 2523 lines of code. 2500 just in our play state. But then we got our occupant, and member, and main. Hard to read it when I do that, huh? I think I like it. Make sure we didn't break anything. Okay. I think we're good. TitleScreenState that we are not using. I guess we go ahead and take that out because we don't need it and we haven't been using it. So let's, in our dependencies, actually I think it's in our main, we require that. Where's our state machine? Yeah, right here. We're not using a TitleScreenState. So we'll just get rid of our TitleScreenState, and then we will get rid of our TitleScreenState. And then oh no. Wait, no, that's right. That freaked me out. What is going on? What the heck? What is going on? Let me see. States, state. Okay. I don't think we broke anything. Yeah, we did. TitleScreenState. So dependencies. .lua. Okay, we should be good. So starting tomorrow, I want to be back on Joust, and we'll be finishing Joust before moving on to a completely new game. For this series, I didn't start from scratch. I didn't think I was going to be streaming me programming this game. So I started it on my laptop. So I got a couple of git commits in before I started streaming. So I didn't build this game completely from scratch on stream. But I'm hoping the next game I do will be completely from scratch. So if anyone's interested in seeing the whole process from the absolute very beginning, we'll be doing that. I did start this one only a couple commits in though, and it wasn't that many lines. It was mostly boilerplate code that I kind of made a template for. That's why TitleScreenState was in there, because I had a template that had the different states in there, so I'd remember how to require them and do all that stuff. But yeah, next game probably will do it from scratch on the stream so that anyone can follow along. You know what? One thing I also want to do is we take a look at our music, our stone sound. We have a stone and a stone 2. So what I'm going to do is delete our stone, rename our stone 2 to stone, and then make sure we don't reference stone here. We want to make sure we don't accidentally reference stone 1, and we are not. We are only doing stone 2. Okay. We should be good. So now our get diff will probably tell us missing some stuff. So like we took out TitleScreenState. I want to see where it says. There we go. So look, deleted TitleScreenState, deleted music stone 2, modified all those things. Yeah. So I want to add everything to the staging area with a commit message saying tidied up some comments and removed title screen state. Get push. Now I just want to tally up the lines here. So let's just see. We've got our main is 148. And our play state is 253, 2523. Member is 80. Member is 80. Member board is 100. And then constants is 15, and dependencies, occupant is 100. Anything else? Oh no. Did I just mess up my harpoon? Just deleted everything in my harpoon. Oops. I didn't know I could do that. Anyways. Dude. So what I want to do is re-harpoon my play state. And my main. And my notes. And my occupant class. Okay. Is that it? That's all the big ones. Because I'm not counting any of the libraries I'm using. towards the line code count, but it looks like we've got just about 28, 29, just over 3,000. And we already committed, so I'm going to call that a day. And tomorrow we'll be back with Joust, which is a big deal. Yeah. Took me just over 4 months to do this game, I think. But it was a great test, and I'm happy I did it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for Joust.